What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Here we're with Theta Network, or Theta, which is down 1.2% at $3.33. We have $3.3 billion market cap with 1 billion coins in circulation out of 1 billion max, which is awesome. It means they can't dilute the market by putting more coins in circulation. Now, the all-time high in this coin was 3 years ago at 1572. We're only down 78% from that all-time high, which is awesome going into the parabolic phase of the bull run. There are still coins that are down to the upper 80s to low 90%. So that's cool that you guys are only down 78%. Now, currently available on the following markets: Hitbit, XC, Pionex, Binance, KuCoin, BingX, DigiFinex. So if you want this coin, you can buy it anywhere pretty much. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Theta. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Theta. So unfortunately, I mean, the great part is that Theta is breaking out. Theta is definitely in its bull run, but unfortunately here on the day chart, it looks like we're kind of toppy. The MACD is losing its bullish momentum it has for the last couple days. If we look at the RSI is massively overbought and starting to drop pretty heavily. This is a normal area where we top out at, or honestly, this is the highest we ever been on the RSI before we started a retracement. We have a double sell signal on the WTX and a sharp correction from that point. So what I'm getting at here is I think Thea's to be seeing a slight correction. And it's a perfectly normal thing. It's a perfectly normal correction, especially after rocketing from February all the way till now. I mean, you guys ran from February till now a 3x without any pullback whatsoever. So it's just a healthy pullback that's going to take place. No reason to FOMO or no reason to panic sell or jeet. Normal retracement. I mean, look at this. We broke out of our bear market downtrend right here as well. As soon as we got over that 236, we shot straight up. I mean, we weren't bullish from March of 2021 until February of 2024. Multiple years we were below this trend. So all I'm expecting Theta to do is probably see a correction back down to the 382 right here and then a rally to the upside. That would still maintain its bullish momentum that we've been having since October 2023, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high. So I know it sounds pretty nasty that a coin's going to have a correction right now, but it's perfectly healthy, man. You don't want to try to push through these levels when you're massively overbought like this. It's just going to cause a heavier capitulation. Let's just rip the band-aid off, get the normal retracement. It's a very healthy pattern that forms after that retracement. So I think in the meantime for Theta, we're probably going to be expecting about a 30% retracement here on the long term possible. And if you go by the short term here, there's obviously a lot of small support and resistance areas on the way down. The first one being at $2.81. Then you got the 618 at $2.18. That's going to be a big one to keep an eye on. So that's currently what I'm expecting Theta to do. Is probably 218, and then we could possibly rally up from that point on. But Theta, in the meantime, is very, very bullish. You're in the first steps of the bull run. When in doubt, zoom out. It's just in the short term, we're going to be seeing a slight correction. Once that correction is over, you're going to be heading to a higher high and continue your bull run, guys. That simple. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if you have any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin within 24 hours.